Hello everyone, welcome back. As you know, I have already covered some of the simulated tasks and you can find the link to that in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. In today's video, I am going to walk you through some more simulated tasks related to those concepts. Let's jump right in. The first task is create a visual task board from a list. Navigate to the incidents list. Click on any column option. Select Show Visual Task Board. Then click on Show All Task Boards. And click on New. Select freeform board. Name the board as My Incidents. Rename the first lane as to In Progress and second one is On Hold. Remove the lane title Done. Go to your favorite list, My Incidents. Select the On Hold incidents by show matching. Select all the incidents and use the actions on selected rows. Click on Add to Visual Task Board. Select My Incidents Visual Task Board. Click on View Board. Move these two incidents to On Hold lane. Go back to your favorite list to in the My Incidents. Filter out the On Hold incidents. Select all the incidents and use actions on selected rows. Click on Add to Visual Task Board. Select My Incidents. Then click on View Boards. And that's it. We are done with this task. Let's move on to the next task. Navigate to the self-service service catalogs. Click on hardware. Search for the Apple Watch. Click on Apple Watch. Now click on for order now. That wraps up our today's video. I will be covering more simulator tasks in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.